Welcome to Hope's Mystery Animal Show. I will share some facts about an amazing creature. What kind of animal looks like a cross between a giraffe and a gazelle? Listen and see if this helps. Need a few more hints? They're very thin, but have very strong legs. They're the size of a man when they're standing on their hind legs. They have a very long neck. They're mostly tan-colored. And like many animals, only males have horns. If you guessed Gerenuk, you are correct. Today, we will discuss their diet, their habitat, where they live, and how they raise their young. Gerenuks will eat in two ways. They either stand on all four legs or stand on their hind legs and use their front legs to pull down branches. With their long neck, they will pick out the ripest, juiciest leaves they can find. About 80 different kinds of plants make up their diet. They will eat a variety of food such as flowers, buds, leaves, and climbing plants. Also, Gerenuks have multi-chambered stomachs, which makes digestion so much easier because it helps break down the plant tissue. Today, they live in the dry shrub of the Horn of Africa, but they used to roam from the Nile River to the Red Sea. They try to avoid forest areas, but also try to avoid wide open plains because they need their food from the source of the forest, but they also need to be able to see if something's sneaking up upon them. They can also live far from their water source because they do not need to eat grass nor drink water because they get enough moisture from the plants they eat. Gerenuks breed year-round, but their breeding peaks in the rainy season. They're pregnant for 7 months. When a calf is born, it'll only weigh 6.5 pounds, but will grow into these beautiful creatures that are 65 to 110 pounds. For comparison purposes, around the world, the average human will weigh 137 pounds. So a Gerenuk is approximately 1/2 to 2/3 of the weight of an average human. Gerenuks are very social animals. They live in single-sex herds with only 2 to 6 other gerenuks. Considering all the predators they have to defend themselves against, that is not very many, and the herd size is so small. The females don't even have horns to protect themselves. Impressively, their lifespan is 10 to 12 years. Mother gerenuks are highly protective of their babies. They will hide them in brush for several weeks until they believe it's safe enough to bring their babies out into the open. I hope you found Gerenuks as fascinating as I have. See you next week on Hope's Mystery Animal Show.